Keen.
Welcome to Green and Keen. Let's try some subtraction quizzes today. Are you up for the challenge? Here we go. Stage 1. Question number 1. 19 minus 5 equals... The answer is 14. Question number 2. 18 minus 13 equals... The answer is 5. Question number 3. 21 minus 4 equals... The answer is 17. Question number 4. 17 minus 4 equals... The answer is 13. Question number 5. 22 minus 8 equals... The answer is 14. Question number 6. 20 minus 14 equals... The answer is 6. Question number 7. 22 minus 12 equals... The answer is 10. Question number 8. 19 minus 9 equals... The answer is 10. Question number 9. 20 minus 15 equals... The answer is 5. Question number 10. 24 minus 7 equals... The answer is 17. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 26 minus 5 minus 5 equals... The answer is 16. Bonus question number 2. 19 minus 10 minus 2 equals... The answer is 7. Bonus question number 3. 23 minus 4 minus 5 equals... The answer is 14. Wow, that was impressive. But don't get too comfortable. The next stage will be more challenging. Are you ready? Stage 2. Question number 1. 25 minus 12 equals... The answer is 13. Question number 2. 27 minus 10 equals... The answer is 17. Question number 3. 32 minus 14 equals... The answer is 18. Question number 4. 22 minus 10 equals... The answer is 12. Question number 5. 43 minus 11 equals... answer is 32. Question number 6. 21 minus 10 equals... The answer is 11. Question number 7. 37 minus 15 equals... The answer is 22. Question number 8. 30 minus 17 equals... The answer is 13. Question number 9. 28 minus 12 equals... The answer is 16. Question number 10. 37 minus 13 equals... The answer is 24. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 33 minus 13 minus 8 equals... The answer is 12. Bonus question number 2. 44 minus 12 minus 11 equals... The answer is 21. Bonus question number 3. 38 minus 11 minus 5 equals... The answer is 22. Great job, Smart! But the fun doesn't stop here. Hold on tight, because the next stage is going to be a blast. Stage 3. Question number 1. 50 minus 25 equals... The answer is 25. Question number 2. 43 minus 22 equals... The answer is 21. Question number 3. 39 minus 28 equals... The answer is 11. Question number 4. 45 minus 10 equals... The answer is 35. Question number 5. 37 minus 21 equals... The answer is 16. Question number 6. 28 minus 21 equals... The answer is 7. Question number 7. 41 minus 30 equals... The answer is 11. Question number 8. 49 minus 26 equals... The answer is 23. Question number 9. 40 minus 21 equals... The answer is 19. Question number 10. 38 minus 20 equals... The answer is 18. Here comes the bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 37 minus 22 minus 5 equals? The answer is 10. Bonus question number 2. 48 minus 20 minus 7 equals? The answer is 21. Bonus question number 3. 50 minus 25 minus 12 equals? The answer is 13. You've shown incredible math skills today. Keep practicing and you'll continue to improve. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you on the next quiz. Bye-bye.